Hello everyone, welcome to Shivalaya. I am making a series of videos for banking preparation and this is the first video of the series. I have cleared IBPS PO and clerk in 2017 and currently I am working in a public sector bank from the past 2 years. In this video I will only share with you the syllabus of banking exams of quantitative aptitude. This will be common for all banking exams including IBPS, SBI, RRB and all PGDF exams. In my upcoming videos, I will cover all the chapters one by one. So let's start. First thing that we need to know while starting preparation is number system. These are numbers that we need to know. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, real, rational, prime, odd and even numbers. So what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are numbers that start with 1 and goes up to infinity without decimals. Whole numbers are numbers that starts with 0 and goes up to infinity, that too without decimals. Integers are all numbers between minus infinity to plus infinity, and this also does not include decimal. Real numbers are all numbers from minus infinity to plus infinity, including decimals. Rational numbers are numbers that can be written in the form of p by q, that is 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 7 by 9, etc. Now this p by q form should be in their simplest form, like 2 by 4 is not a rational number. It should be written in the form of 1 by 2, that is its simplest form, and q should never be 0 in this. So that is rational number. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which are having only two factors. Odd numbers are numbers which are not divisible by 2, and even numbers are numbers which are divisible by 2. Learn squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15. LCM and HCF you need to know. How to find out LCM and HCF of any two numbers or three numbers, that you need to know. Next is series. So what are series? In series you will get a sequence of numbers. You have to understand the sequence and you have to tell which is the missing number. So that is one type. In another type you might get a series of numbers in which one of the numbers is wrong. You have to find out which number is wrong. So series will consist of 5 marks. Series will consist of 5 marks in all the prelims examination. Based on number system, we'll get so many series that we need to solve. That is why number system is important for us. Next is simplification and approximation. So in this, you'll be given one equation that you have to solve using this rule. That is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now what is this? Like in this equation, multiplication and addition is there. So which task we'll perform first? We'll do multiplication first because m comes first in this particular rule. Similarly, in this we are having division, subtraction and percentage. So first we'll find the percentage, then we'll divide and then we'll subtract the number. So using this basic rule, we'll solve these kind of equations. This will also consist of 5 marks in your prelims examination for PO, and clerical it will be 5 to 10 marks. Next is quadratic equation. So this is the general form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a, b, c are constant numbers. So what kind of questions you will get in this? You will get two equations of x, y form. You have to solve both the equations and you have to tell whether x is greater than y, greater than equal to y, less than y, or x is less than equal to y, or relation cannot be determined. So first you need to solve these two equations using whatever method you want, and then you have to answer according to the given options. Quadratic equation will also consist of 5 marks. 5 marks in all prelims examinations. Next is data interpretation. So in data interpretation you will be given some data in form of pie chart, table or line graphs. So you have to analyze the data and you have to solve the given questions. So generally 3 to 5 questions will be given related to those data and you have to solve. This is the most important part of banking examinations. This will consist of 15 marks at least in prelims and 20 to 25 marks in mains examinations. So before solving data interpretation, you have to solve these three chapters. So first complete average, percentage and ratio proportion, and then move to data interpretation. In my upcoming videos, I will cover all these chapters one by one. And last is miscellaneous chapters. All other chapters are miscellaneous chapters that we need to do. In prelims examination, we will get 5 to 10 marks from miscellaneous, and mains examination, this is very important. From all these chapters, you will get at least 20 marks questions. And data interpretation will also be related in mains examinations to these chapters only. So before writing any mains examinations, you need to have a good idea about this miscellaneous chapters. So what are those chapters? Profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, allegation, time and work, work and wages, pipe and systems, time and distance, trains, streams, permutation combinations, and probability. When I was preparing, these were the books that I referred. Magical Books on Quicker Maths by M. Taira, Quickest Mathematics by Kiran Publication, Quicker Maths by Kundan and Taira, Mock Test by Kiran Publication, Previous Year Solved Paper Chapter Wise by Disha, Data Interpretation by Arihant, Data Analysis Interpretation by Disha Publication, and last is Practice Set by Bank Buddy or Kiran's or Arihant's publication. So these are the books important for banking examinations that I had studied. Now, many teachers will suggest R.S. Agarwal. Many teachers will suggest R.S. Agarwal. If you have no knowledge of quantitative aptitude, then only I will suggest to go for R.S. Agarwal. If you have basic knowledge, like if you have studied these things in 7, 8, 9 correctly, then no need to start from R.S. Agarwal. Directly you can go for M. Taira. In my next video, I will tell you some tricks of squares and some multiplication tricks using Vedic mathematics. If you have any queries, you can post in comment section. Thank you.